of catching the wave. She is out there surfing around, side surfing, front surfing. She is staying in control. That is a little girl on a big fast wave. If you're just joining us, this is the mighty Chattahoochee River flowing at 9,000 cubic feet per second of pure energetic fun as these youngest competitors in the cadet class looking to do well in this preliminary round. This is McKinley Kate Hargrove. Her family, they all kayak. What a ride. She is happy with that.
All right, next we are going to have Maddie Kimmel.
Maddie Kimmel coming to us from the Washington, D.C. area. We see her paddling a lot on the Ottawa River. We also see her paddling and all over the United States competing at other events. Maddie's just waiting for the thumbs up from our head judge, Way Wright. Gosh, a quick housekeeping announcement. If you are in the water or down by the water's edge, you do need to be wearing a life jacket, a EFD. We do not want to have anyone get into trouble here. Courtney, tell us a little bit about Maddie's ride.
All right, we have Maddie coming on in from the lower eddy this time. Opting for a different entrance. She's surfing all around a beautiful right spin just there, completing the full 360-degree turn. Now setting up again, looking for an expert trick, looking for that bounce in order to get aerial. She's setting it up, no stranger to big waves. We see a nice roundhouse there, looking for one in the other direction. Beautiful, pulling it right through into a spin. You can just see the power in that wave. Looking to embrace that power though, and move it into her next big trick. She's looking super focused out there. Setting up, carving around. Looking for her next one, a beautiful roundhouse once again. Looking for the back roundhouse, pulling it through. The crowd's going wild. She's definitely got plenty of supporters out here, this young girl. Definitely the true of our paddle sports here in front of us today. And that is time complete. 1 minute ride.
Alrighty, great ride for these first 3 competitors. They get 3 rides, only the best count. Next up is going to be Julia Frankenberg. Her birthday just a couple of days ago, turning 14. Julia also coming to us from the Washington, D.C. area. She and her brother both competing here. And we have also seen them all over the world. I have the privilege of paddling in Africa with her brother Ethan and her father earlier this year. So these people, truly world travelers, they love to see the world out of their kayak. Next up, it is all about Julia as we are waiting for the thumbs up from our head judge, Clay Wright. I'm joined by Courtney Sarah and I'm Stephen Wright. Courtney, tell us a little bit about how many judges are sitting here and who they are.
All right, we have 4 judges up here in front of us, but right now we have our next competitor coming on into the feature. Paddling up, opting to come in from the lower eddy again. Seems to be working well for the competitors today. Turning around, looking to set up right away. Going for that shove it right there, 180-degree turn into a 180-degree turn, all on the same paddle blade. Followed up straight away by a spin to her right. Now looking for the shove in the other direction. Notice her pulling it right back around. Steps the ground, looking to get up once again. And spinning off the shoulder, unfortunately. Give her a round of applause though, folks.
That was a nice ride for Julia. Julia, very skilled paddler. I saw her using flat water loops in the eddy the other day. Not too many in the cadet class able to do a front flip in a kayak, especially without the help of a wave or a hole. But I saw Julia doing it last night. This is a quick warning call out. The cadet men's class We are rolling right into your preliminary round as soon as these cadet women are finished. So cadet men, you might want to start warming up and getting ready to go. Cadet women, you're going to get 3 rides, and then we're rolling right into the cadet men. Next up, representing the Kellogg Show, Maddie Kellogg is looking to compete, get some points for the preliminary round. The Kellogg family traveling around in a big RV all over the country, competing, paddling, always having fun, always smiling, always friendly, and some very good kayakers as well. Courtney, walk us through how Maddie's ride goes.
Maddie coming in from up above, looking to drop straight into this huge wave and catching it perfectly straight into